All right, hey everybody, Brian here again, once again with Ted. And in this video, we're gonna talk about how you can get some guaranteed returns. Ted mentioned on the last one. There's a way you can get a guaranteed 20% return on your money through this strategy. It is incredible. So Ted, go ahead and share how that works.
All right, good. All right, now folks, I've been talking about tax liens and tax deeds. So now I'm going to show you a hybrid strategy that people fall in love with. Okay. Now everything I talk about you can do online, but when it comes to the hybrid strategy, they're just changing. You know, COVID got a lot of changes going on. But let me tell you about Georgia, and I'll talk to you about Texas. Now, just be patient with me now. So Georgia is a large state in terms of the size of the state, but there's only about 8 million people there. But they have 169 counties. That means every one of those counties can sell the taxes if people don't pay their taxes. So what they call that in Georgia, they say we're going to have a redeemable tax deed auction. Now they do that every month. So there's 169 auctions just in Georgia. This is amazing. All right, and what they say is here's a property that people didn't pay the tax. If you want to pay the tax, it's whatever, 2,000, 5,000, whatever. When you pay that tax, you give your money to the government. Now, you can't give any money to Ted Thomas. I'm an investor just like you are. All right, so you give your money directly to the government. All right, now, if the people come in and pay their tax the next day, now I said the next day, you'll get all your money back plus 20%. It's a penalty return for being late. So it's not amortized over the months. So if the person had bought a property today and it went out 300 days, they paid it on the 300th day, they have to give you back all your money plus 20%. If it goes out 10 days, all your money plus 20%. Now that's the first year. Now in the second year, if they haven't paid in the first year, the second year, they don't have to give you 20%. They have to give you 30%. And the year after that, they have to give you 40%. Now I know all that's unbelievable, but I've been teaching this for 25 years of my life. I've taught people how to do this. I started as an investor myself. I did it a lot. People ask me questions. But Georgia, that's how they do it. And now let me give you a better one. I'll give you a better one. Now, you all don't want to go to the same state. You can go to any state you want, but there's going to be too much. They can't sell all of these. I'm going to tell you right now, I've been doing it for all these years. They can't sell them. So now let's go to Texas. In Texas, I wish I had some of my guides with me now. I don't have it. So visualize that big state of Texas. There's 254 counties in Texas. On the first Tuesday of every month, they will auction properties that people haven't paid the tax. Now, when they auction the property, what they do is they auction it against blah, 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 who wants to buy it? And what he's going to sell you the deed. You remember Brian said the title? He's actually going to sell you the title. He's going to sell it to you. And you're going to buy it. Whatever you pay goes to the government. Doesn't go to me. I'm just telling you how to do it. So you get the title, but the title is called a redeemable deed. So that just means that the property owner can come back any day. Now listen close. Any day from day 1 to day 180, and they can recover his deed. In other words, he can get it back. He wouldn't lose the property, but he has to pay you whatever you paid plus 25%. 25%. So your minimum return is 25%. Now, I don't go to Texas every month. I do it in a lot of different places. But that auction has been going on. I'm just going to pick Harris County. That's Houston. There's 250 counties that do it. I have gone to Harris County 5 times in my lifetime. Okay. I've never seen them with less than 200 properties, ever. Wow. Harris County's got 6 million people. 6 million people. Never seen less than 200. Never seen anybody earn less than 25%. Now you tell me where you can earn 25% and the check's coming from the government. It's not coming from Ted Thomas. So you invested with the government, you're getting a check back from the government, make 20. That's a hybrid strategy. How do you like that one?
That's pretty incredible that's even out there. And I almost guarantee that a majority of people don't even know that exists, that's out there, that you can do that. But once again, though, like, the question we always get is, well, why haven't I heard about this? Why is this more prevalent? You want to know why? It's the government. Do you think that the government actually makes it easy? Well, no, because what's their incentive? I mean, they don't have a huge incentive, unlike entrepreneurs and business owners, right? They are probably one of the least efficient run businesses, if you want to call it even that, out there. And so what you said, Ted, in one of the other videos is that it's an archaic system. The way they operate is very archaic. They don't make, I mean, what's their incentive to go and, build all this stuff. That's really not their thing. I mean, it's just to be honest, they're not the most efficient. So that's part of why. And so if you know how to make this work and know how it works behind the scenes, you can benefit greatly from this.
Right. So you could go to Texas. Let's say you get $25,000. So you go there and you get one of these deeds for 25, but remember, it's redeemable, but you're going to get the deed. So you can go home, and if the people come in to pay the tax, the county will call you and they'll say, send that deed back to us, and we'll send you a check for whatever you invested plus 25%. Now, where are you going to do that? Your whole life, where are you going to do that? All right, now there's 5 states that I call them the hybrid states because they do both. They sell tax liens and tax deeds. So those states I just talked about, those are called penalty states. Now, I just made these names up 25 years ago. Then I started writing books about it. And that's how we got all these crazy names. I mean, there was no such thing before. But now when you see stuff printed, you can see stuff that I wrote years ago. It's a penalty state because that's what they make you pay, a penalty, 25%. So those homeowners, if you have to pay 25, if you lost your property for 50,000, you're going to come in and pay the 50,000 plus 12.5 more to get your property back. Well, they're going to do that. They're not going to lose their property for 12.5. It's not going to happen. 12. Think about how much money you could make. All right. Now, Texas had 250 counties, 169 counties in Georgia. So we can kind of roam around. I have people, and I'm going to show you a video on this one. I showed you some good videos on the last one. I'm going to show you a video this time. Yeah, a little later on, a guy in California. Now, you're not going to believe me, but I'm going to show you the video so you see it. So I taught him how to do it. And he lived outside the United States. He lived in Vancouver, Canada. And I said, go to this auction. You're going to like it. Now, flash the auction, Lance, flash that on there against it. So there's the tax default list from Los Angeles. I sent him to this auction, okay? I sent the guy to the auction. All right, now this is the list. And I'm going to tell you what he did. You're going to go in shock. You're not going to believe me. All right, there's the list. There's so many properties, unbelievable. All right, so he went to the auction. I told him now, I said, listen, sit for the whole auction. Don't buy anything the first day. They won't be able to sell it. They had 2,000 properties. They couldn't sell them all. So you know what they did? The auctioneer said, look, it's the end of the day. We got to get rid of these properties. So all of you guys that are in the room, if you come back tomorrow, I'll cut the price in half. If you come back tomorrow, I'll cut it. Now, he didn't put it in the newspaper, didn't put it online. The only people that knew that it was half price were the people in the room. I said, did everybody show up? He said, no. Well, I knew everybody wouldn't show up. 100 people showed up. Now, I know you don't believe the story, but you'll believe it in a minute because I'm going to show it to you. So 100 people showed up. So he bought 5. He bought 5 residential buildable lots, not houses, 5 residential buildable lots. He spent $85,000. I'm not talking about amateurs now. I got clients that are real deal, right? Spent $85,000. The tax value, now listen close, tax value, $1 million.
Oh, geez.
He spent $85,000. Folks, I'm talking about California property for 8.5 cents on the dollar. Now listen, I'm gonna finish up with this. With no mortgage. 8.5 cents on the dollar, no mortgage. Where are you gonna do that? You can try all the flippers you want. You can try all the foreclosures you want. You can try all the government properties you want. In Los Angeles, right at this auction, show them the picture again, Lance. All right, right at this auction, he spent 8.5 cents on the dollar. I'm not making it up. There's the list. Even give you the address of the Pomona Fairgrounds.
My name is Rene Gauthier from Surrey, BC. In October, I went to Los Angeles County tax deed sale. Bought 5 properties for roughly $85,000. They are vacant lots. 1 is in Malibu, 4 in downtown LA. Gorgeous properties. Their value, tax assessed value, is just over $1 million. I did this after taking Ted's course in under 90 days. Thanks, Ted.
You tell me, could he sell those properties and make money? Well, I'm going to tell you, he sold those properties with an 80% discount and still doubled his money. He sold it at 80% discount and still made money. Can you believe that? Folks, if you learn this business, you'll do it for the rest of your life. Did I say you're going to get it all by next Friday? We're going to show you 4 or 5 videos. I do classes. I do all-day class once a month. Once a month, I do all-day class. Brian will tell you about it later, but you're getting the point. This is the real deal. You're not going to get rich on one deal. You're not going to get rich by Friday, but you want to get rich. You just got to look at this and you got to do it. Okay. I'm a player. I do it. I did 9 properties last year. This year before Christmas, I'll do at least 4 more. Why? I got to have some inflation hedges, folks. This inflation is going to go. You wait and see. You're going to be paying $6 for gas by Christmas. You watch.
Yep. Awesome. Yeah. So everybody. So yeah, Ted is doing a special class. It'll be either in the email or below the video somewhere. It'll be a link to it. Grab that link and look at it, because this is a huge opportunity. I mean, this is something that has been around for a long time. Unlike crypto and other things that have volatility, they have good return potentially, but there's volatility in those asset classes. This has been around for decades. It's not going anywhere. Real estate is one of those stable assets that it's been around for thousands of years. It's not going anywhere. We need it to survive. We have to have real estate. It's just that way. And so this is a great way to get into it from almost more of a passive strategy if you were looking to do something passive on the tax lien side, and then you can do the tax deed side as well if you're an investor or want to get more into the hands-on real estate side of it. There's potentially bigger returns there as well. So there's lots of different ways to do this. So grab that link, check it out. It's going to be amazing. So with that, Ted, I appreciate this. Is amazing information. So thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Glad to do it. You know, we're going to do another video in a minute, and I'll tell you about some of the states up around the Great Lakes and so on, because you know that's Rust Belt America, you know, Ohio, Michigan, and places like that. I've got people making small investments that I want to actually show you the picture of. And they're senior citizens there. They're actually buying houses for under $15,000. And then they're reselling them within days because they're discounting the houses down. And they're doing installment sales. And the installment sale makes as much as they did on the property. So I've got one couple that just spent $12,000. I'll show you this in a video. They sold it, and their profit on the deal is going to be $40,000 on a $12,000 investment. And they're doing installment sale. They did 3 during the Christmas holidays last year.
Wow.
I'll show you. I'll show you the video. You'll just be inside. So we'll come back in one more video and show you guys on the next one. So don't go away. We'll come back in a few minutes.
Yep. Keep your eyes open for the next email to grab that video. Take care.
We did not know anything about tax foreclosure sales in depth. We knew they existed, but we didn't know what we could possibly do and how easy it was to go with the program.
And then we also didn't know that it was possible, because when we heard, we thought it was too good to be true to be able to buy homes for back taxes. And once we found out that was true, then we bought a 45-foot coach and decided to retire from our jobs and get out of the rat race and go make some money and live a different lifestyle, live free. So that's why we're doing tax deeds. And with this, we can get on our bus, travel over the country, find those tax liens and deeds, and have a great time doing it. We obviously started buying, and for instance, this house, we bought 20 cents on the dollar, and we're going to profit over $39,000 when we sell this one.